Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest, Mama Spirit Channel. Fated also Matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin sabihin sa ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign of Sagittarius. So sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides sa ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy ay kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga kagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang din at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Request maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na umapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages ng ating spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Angel Spirit, God bless you information. Paano kayo sabihin sa'yo ng ating mga baraha? So there's something guys with a Four of Wands, celebration. Now, unti-unti ka na rin makakaranas sa celebration dito. Now, some of you guys know there's something a wedding, family gathering, because this is something guys with a birthday na darating, no? Now, meron kang ate na birthday. So there's something guys with a Three of Wands. There's a waiting for ship, may hinihintay ka. No, resulta, document, papers. There's a possible na dumating na, no? So let's see what is the additional messages. Represent with the Knight of Cups. There's something an offer nga. Na may offer talaga. Now that brings you a higher level of commitment. Insider proposal. No? Additional messages. Represent guys with a judgment for a wake-up call. Now you need to pay attention. Kailangan mo gumising sa katotohanan at kailangan mo mag-ingat. No? At kailangan mong pagdesisyonan to. No? At the same time, there's a magician for manifestation. Now, may mga bagay na unti-unti mo na ma-manifest. Now, makakamit, makukuha. Now, yung ano man yung mga bagay na hinahangad mo, maaaring makuha mo yan. Now, there's a Five of Cups, something disappointment. Now, some of you guys na parang nagkakaroon ka ng linlangan, panghihinayang, pagsisisi. But this is something else, guys, with an opportunity. Now, kailangan mo tanggapin yun. Na hanggang dun lang yun. No? And there's a Eight of Swords, so there's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. No? Napapalibutan ka ng toxic and negative dyan, na kailangan mo mag-pay attention, no? What is the ritual messages with the Three of Wands? Represent with the High Priestess, something hidden agenda, hidden enemies. So maraming mystery sa likod dito. No? Maraming kang bagay na matutuklasan, malalaman. No? Okay. And this is something guys with the Knight of Wands for slow and steady. No? Pananatiliin to at maaaring itong offer na to mabagal man pero sinisigurado mapapasayo. No? Wag ka lang magmadali din at the same time, no? What is the judgment? The judgment represents with the Knight of Swords, something anxiety, sleepless night. So some of you guys, no? Parang nahihirapan ka matulog, no? Pag nagpa-pay attention ka dito na kailangan mong pagmasdan, no, yung sarili mo. No? Bakit ka nahihirapan matulog? Bakit kailangan mo mag-pay attention dyan? Solusyonan mo agad yan. Now, what is the magician represent what? Na ibig sabihin kaya ka hindi makatulog kasi merong kang dapat malaman. Now, there's something that came in, no? May gumawa talaga sa'yo dito na para hindi ka makalis sa situation, no? Para ma-stuck ka na lang dyan. Now, the Five of Cups represent the Eight of Cups, something moving forward. Makaka-move on ka rin dyan. Makakawala ka rin dyan. No? What is the Four of Wands represent the Eight of Swords? Represent with the Four of Pentacles for saving money, protection at pangalagaan mo yung grounds mo. No, dahil kailangan punong-puno ng toxic sa paligid mo. No? Iwasan mo yung luho, bisyo. What is the Three of Wands? Because the High Priestess represent guys with the Ace of Pentacles. Yung hinihintay mong pera, maaaring mangyari to with an unexpected way. No? With an unexpected moment. No? Hindi mo akalaing makukuha mo agad-agad to. Hindi mo akalain na sa gantong way, no? Sa gantong araw, no? There's something unexpected. So guys, let's see. There's something the full card for relief of faith. No? Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, maaaring ito na yung hinihintay mong offer. na maaring makuha mo na, makamtan mo na. What is the Judgment across the Knight of Swords? Represent with the Star card, healing and recovery. Na magkakaroon dito ng pag-asa, unti-unti ka makaka-recover, na makakawala ka rin dyan sa mga nangyari. And there's something strengthened with a confidence. So, kailangan lakas mo loob mo, maging matapang ka. No, kailangan mong pakiramdaman to, alamin mo lahat ng bagay na nangyari. Nabibigyan kang kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's something the Emperor, maging mature ka, maging grounded ka. No, sa mga decision and actions mo. No, unti-unti ka rin dyan makaka-recover. No, at the same time, this is something guys with the Queen of Pentacles, maging mature at maging practical ka pagdating sa finances, no? And there's the King of Wands, something ambition, unti-unti naman ito masisilayan, no? Magkakaroon ka ng insights dito or visions na may pasilip sa'yo, no? Yung hinihintay mo, possible na makuha mo na siya talaga, no? And of course, there's something guys with the Page of Wands, may magandang balita. Now, there's something good news coming in. Now, may magandang informasyon na maaaring dumating sa'yo. At the same time, guys, there's something that Six of Swords with the transition. Unti-unti ka rin dyan makakawala sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. Now, makakabangon ka na rin dyan. Now, makakawala ka na rin dyan. At the same time, guys, there's something with the Two of Wands by choices. Piliin mo lang yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. No? And this is something the Knight of Swords, bibilis din to, takbo na to. Magkakaroon ng changes and development na sa situation mo. No? So, let's see what is additional messages with an Angel Spirit. Na pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career, love life, at kalusugan mo. So, let's see and watch this. For finances and career, represent what? Now, there's something, the Three of Swords in reverse, something recovery. Na makaka-recover ka na raw dito guys. Now, releasing pain. So, it means, unti-unti ka na makakabangon, makakaraos sa mga naranasan mo. No, sa mga naramdaman mo. No, there's something the lovers. No, especially, malaking factor to about sa pag-ibig sa relasyon. No, konektado raw ang love life at career mo. At the same time, guys, there's something, the Page of Pentacles. No, invest wisely. No, matuto kang, kumbaga, pangalagaan at proteksyonan mo naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. No, additional messages with an Angel Spirit. So, there's something, the Six of Wands for victory is yours. Na may mga bagay na magtatagumpay ka talaga. Na may mga bagay na unti-unti na magbabago sitwasyon mo. Na magtatagumpay ka, kailangan mo lang talaga mag-invest ng wais at maayos, no? Now, there's a King of Swords. Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung ilalaban mo. Now, there's a King of Swords with something intelligent, no? Being wise. Basta ngayon maging matalino ka na. Now, sa pagdidesisyon. Now, there's a Seven of something and opportunities and choices. No, marami pang darating na eksena. Pagdating sa love life, there's a Sun card with a pure positive outcome. Na magiging maganda na daloy na sitwasyon. Na magiging maayos ng kalagayan mo dito. Now, there's a Ten of Pentacles with a long-term success. Now, magkakaroon ka ng financial security. And there's a Six of Cups. Now, there's something, guys, with either a past person coming back. Na may babalik dito from the past. Now, matuto ka na, guys, parang naloko ka na dito at the same time na parang iniwan ka na sa ere, kaya kailangan maging matalino ka na. Kung babalik to, wag mo nang tanggapin sa buhay mo. Now, there's a Page of Cups by listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. Kasi may taong para sa'yo talaga eh. Now, there's a Death card. Now, matatapos na yung kahibangan mo sa kanya. Now, magkakaroon ng transformation to sa buhay mo, sa relasyon mo. Now, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Talagang merong nakatakda, no, para sa'yo na magdadala ng long-term success. No? And long-term relationship. Pagdating sa kalusugan mo, there's something, the Moon card, na unti-unti mo matutuklasan bakit ganyan yung mga nararamdaman mo, nararanasan mo. And there's a Five of Wands in reverse ngayon matututunan mo na kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo iwasan. No, na sa nagbibigay ng komplikasyon. No, yung mag-isip, ma-stress, No? Alagaan mo yung mental health mo. There's a Queen of Cups. So, si emotional healing. So, kumbaga, kailangan mo alagaan mo yung mental health mo dito. And this is something the world. Now, some of you, there's a trouble, guys. There's a success. And there's a Knight of Pentacles with something security and slow and steady. No, lahat ng mga bagay pinaghirapan mo, maaaring makakamtan mo to. No? And there's a Hermit card, something spiritual awakening, spiritual enlightenment. No, lahat ng to ay maaaring magbukas sa'yo sa kaisipan mo. No? Kailangan mo maging balanse. Ang nangyayari, nasasabotahe mo ang sarili mo. No? Dahil kahit na nasasaktan ka na, nilalaban mo pa. No, kahit nahihirapan ka, sige pa rin. No? So, kailangan mong mahalin at tanggapin ang sarili mo. Masyado ka nang nagiging dito, guys. No, martyr. No, marupok. No, kaya kailangan maging ka na dito. Magising ka na sa katotohanan. No? So, let's see what is additional messages with the magical fire messages and advices. So, let's watch this. Let's see. With the magical fire messages to represent what? With the magical fairy messages. And there's a vegetarian. No more on veggies. No, kailangan mo kumain ng mga fruit and vegetables. And there, because there's something guys with the summer ngayon, summer season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's the sun. No, bibigyan kasagutan talaga lahat ng katanungan mo. At the same time, yung anak mo tutulong sa'yo. No, at gagabay sa'yo. Or either may ginagabayan ka pa dito, maaaring bata pa to or maliit pa tong anak mo. No, kailangan mo tutukan to. And there's a yin and yang oracle card. And this is something guys with the reflections. Lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo magre-reflect to sa'yo. No, there's something cause and effect. No, at the same time, there's something thoughts. See? Lahat ng bagay na to, isa sa nagiging kumaga problema o complication yung mga tumatakbo sa isipan mo. No, palayain mo na yung lungkot. No, yung mga disappointment. No, failures. What is the synchronicities represent what? And there's a fall. Unti-unti nang kumbaga ilalaglag. No, ihulog. Yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat para sa'yo sa mismong harapan mo. And there's something the world. No, babaguhin ito yung mundo mo. And there's something silent. Kailangan mo maging tahimik sa mga plano mo at pangarap mo. No? What is the romance angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And because there's something guys with the lies. No? No, yung eksena na to ay punong-puno ng sikreto. No, wag mo na ipilit pang itago. And there's a divine timing. This is the moment, guys, no? Maniwala ka sa divine timing kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. And there's a call healing from them, no? Kumbaga, ay naghihintay ka pa ng tawag galing sa kanya or either tinatawagan mo pa siya. Now, what is an eagle's number represent what? Represent with a 222 with the feminine forces. No, you can do everything by yourself, but life is to be shared. Partner up with the right spirit, and you become a first honor and trust, honor and commitment, and people around you don't judge and listen. So, kailangan mo makinig. No, kailangan mo pakinggan. No, ang sarili mo, kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, tignan mo na, no, parang sinasabi nito, magising ka na sa bangungot na to. No, what is the money move oracle deck? And there's a transformation. No, unti-unti na magbabago ang situation mo. Don't be afraid from the unknown. No, huwag ka matakot sa posibleng mangyari sa buhay mo. Change is natural order of the things. No, natural lang mangyayari pagbabago sa buhay mo. Kumalma ka. Now, there's a part of the light. Represent what? What is the part of the light? Represent what? Inner healing. No? Kumbaga sa loob mo, unti-unting pinagagaling. No, or pagalingin ng ating Panginoon yung kalooban. No, or kumbaga kailangan mo pakalmahin yung sarili mo or matuto kang tanggapin lahat ng katotohanan na nangyari sa buhay mo. No, huwag ka magbulag-bula, huwag ka magtanga-tangahan sa eksena. No, God has brought me to the perfect state of being for healing. When I encounter weaknesses, I transform into strength. I focus my thoughts into the light. Allowing darkness to turn into courage, which is step I become stronger, more resilient, and aligned with the divine healer. So, see? Kumbaga, unti-unti ihilom yan. Pagagalingin. That marunong din tayong tanggapin yung bagay na yon. So, there is something what lies beneath with the future. Ano yung mga bagay na nakatago sa hinaharap mo? Represent guys with destroyed. No, shattered, broken, fuck up, no? Nasira na. No, hindi mo na kailangan, kumbaga, pag ganito nasira na, nabasag na, mahirap nang buuin. No, unti-unti lang masisira yung sarili mo kapag hindi mo tinanggap yung bagay na yan. No, there's a shadow work represent what? No, huwag kang manatili sa isang bangungot. No, sa isang nakaraan na punong-puno na kasinungalingan. No, there's a shadow work represent what? And there's a escapism, relaxation facing reality. So see, kailangan mong harapin yung katotohanan, detach from daily struggles, and relax but don't use it a form of avoidance. No, kailangan mong harapin to. No, hindi mo kailangan iwasan to. Kailangan mong harapin yung nangyayari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. And of course, clarifying for a love situation represent what? For clarifying for a love situation. Representing. Now, there's something guys with the hidden thorns. Now, ibig sabihin dito guys, no? Look beyond the romance to discern true intention. Alamin mo kung ano ba talaga intention nito. No, itong tao na to, kung babalik siya, alamin mo kung ano yung gusto niya mangyari. No, baka for the second time around, tignan niya kung gano'n ka pa rin katanga. Diba? Kumbaga dapat matuto ka na. What is the clarifying for a life situation? No? Kumbaga itong intention niya, kaya siya babalik. No? Dahil may gusto siyang makuha. No? May gusto siyang malaman. No? What is the clarifying for a life situation? Represent guys with a fantasy land. Make sure everything involved is being realistic and on the same page. No, ang buhay mo ay hindi yan katulad ng fantasy. No, there's something happy ending pagdating sa love life na yan. No, kailangan mong harapin na may mga bagay talaga na sinusubok, no, ng pagkakataon ng panahon ng mga tao sa paligid mo kung hanggang sa katatagan ang pag-ibig at pagmamahal o katangahan mong taglay. Ganon. Kapag let's see what is a pick a card, yes or no. Let's see and watch this. So, let's see guys, what is a pick a card, yes or no? So, kabog yung katangahang taglay. Mapasabog ka doon. And there's a yes or no pick a card. So, let's see what is a yes or no pick a card. Let's start tayo with the number 1. Kung sino yung mga nakapili na number 1 ha. No, pwede ka magtanong dito. So, for sure naman nakapagtanong ka na. Now, ito na yun. Umpisa na natin. Let's see what is the number 1. Kung sino yung mga nakapili na number 1, ito na yun. Now, there's a yes. No, there's a neatly tied up, secure, trustworthy of connections. Na ibig sabihin nito, matibay at malakas. No, maganda yung pagkakapulupot. No, maganda yung pagkakatali ng eksena na to. Na hindi matatanggal, hindi mababaklas. No, kailangan mo tanggapin ang katotohanan na kailangan mas mahigpit pa ang kapit mo sa iyong sarili. No, ganun yon. What is the number 2 represent what? And there's a no. Your ideals are rejected, not satisfied with the result. So, ibig sabihin nito, no, yung iniisip mo at plano mo ay hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. At no, at hindi ka tangi-tangi at maaaring, kumbaga, hindi maging maganda ang resulta nito. Number 3. And there's a yes. Valuable experience worth your time profit. So, see, kumbaga lahat ng mga bagay karanasan sa buhay mo, ay kumbaga nagsisilbing kahalagahan yan or maaaring kumbaga malaking parte sa buhay mo yung maranasan yan, no? Yung oras panahon mo gugugulin dyan para maranasan mo lahat ng bagay na yan para matuto ka, no, sa lahat na naging leksyon sa buhay mo. Kung hindi ka natuto, ewan ko na lang sa'yo, talaga may katanghang taglay ka. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of June 3 hanggang June 9 for the sign off. For the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit up the bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi skip ng ads away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik liglig na gumapo na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.